Hello student. Now in this video I am going to teach you the basic of speaker and its important characteristics and some internal parts of speaker. Let's start the definition of loudspeaker. It is a device or a transducer which convert electrical signal of audio frequency into the sound waves. So student, speaker is a device used to convert electrical signal into the sound waves. At the output, speaker generates that sound waves. So think where the speaker can be used. It can be used in television receiver unit. It can be used in radio receiver unit, computer unit, laptop, mobile phones, audio players like DVD player, CD player, home theater system. As you can see on your screen, this is the symbol for speaker. This is the box type speaker. It contains two speakers, and this is the internal diagram of speaker. Important types of speaker are: one is the cone type, another will be the horn type. I have shown here some internal parts of speaker. In the exam, 2 marks question may be asked, that is, list the important part of speaker. So there are two basic important part. One is the fixed part. It cannot be movable. So fixed part is permanent magnet and basket. It is the fixed part. So movable part is voice coil, spider with voice coil, paper material cone, dust cap, and some spring and some photo paper. These are the some mechanically movable parts. Some function of internal parts component. Diaphragm. Cone type diaphragm is used and made by paper material. Its function is it can move in and out to push air and makes the sound. The cone type diaphragm is used, so the speaker also classified according to the cone. Dust cap. It is used to protect the voice coil from dust and drift. Basket. The steady metal framework is used around which the speaker is built. Spider, also called as a suspension. It is a flexible supports that holds the voice coil in place while allowing it to move freely. It also provides the suspension to the voice coil with the cone. Magnet. Typically, it is made from ferrite material, and generally pot shape magnet is used, and its function is to provide the strong magnetic field to the voice coil. Voice coil, it is the important component. A coil that moves the diaphragm back and forth. Aluminum wire is wound on cupboard for a voice coil. These are the some important internal component functions. In the exam, 2-mark question may be asked, state the function of diaphragm used in speaker, or state the function of spider used in speaker, or state the function of magnet used in speaker. Some important characteristics. First is efficiency. Efficiency of speaker. It is the ratio of output sound power to the input audio signal power. It describes the ability of speaker to convert electrical signal into the sound waves. Frequency response. We know that sound wave contains frequency, so it indicates the frequency response of speaker, and it is in the audible frequency range from 60 Hz to 20 kHz. Speaker can produce different sound frequencies like high frequency, then we called as a tweeter. Low frequency speaker we called as a hooper. Distortions. Distortion is the change in frequency, amplitude, phase of the sound wave. It can be minimized by using mixer network. Directivity. It is the ratio of actual sound intensity at a point. Directivity pattern is omnidirectional, means 360 directions. Directivity of speaker tells us the response of sound intensity over the all sides. And last, impedance. It represents in ohms. So necessary is that impedance matching is necessary with the amplifier circuit. That's is it for today video. Hope you understand new. Thanks for watching.